Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
But it's good, y'all. We are out here. Amazon relay. We run this Amazon relay right now. I'm out here like an hour early. You already know how I get down. How we do it. About to get this quick bag. I'm gonna go home, park with the freight, and probably get up. This one is unloading around 6ish in the morning at the post office. So I'm gonna get up about 5 and shoot this over there. We're right in Columbia off Clemson Road. I'm going to knock this one out, and only got one stop. I hate doing more than one stop, but caught it with the one stop. You already know how we doing this thing, man. It's ching time. Let's go. So we in and out of there. In and out of there real quick like. Whoa. This is what you call a rookie mistake. Forgot to pull his dock door down. He just peeled out. Wow. I'm like an hour and 20 minutes early. I know this particular post office opens up around 4:30. So I'll be able to get in there, slide in there real quick, drop this pallet off, be back home, back in the bed way before my arrival time. So this is how you stay on time and ahead of the game with Amazon Relay. Let's get it, y'all. What is good, family? We out here, Amazon. Actually, we're out here at CA1, Columbia, West Columbia, CAE1. And yeah, so you know when the weather's a little funny with Amazon, they will shut down the yard. And just so happened they shut down the yard on your mans. So as you can see, the gate is closed. It says yard is closed temporarily. Please remain 10 feet from fence. So I am 10 feet away from fence, waiting for the yard to open back up. Of course, I was here like 20 minutes early. I have I took a photo that the yard was closed and that I'm here. They can clearly see I'm here on time. So I did take a photo because I'm not taking no chances. Got my score back at 100. Last thing I need is the yard to be closed. It's looking like, you know, the leaving here late because the yard is closed. It's like a domino effect can happen with Amazon. You know, running Amazon freight, especially when the weather is weird. So hopefully nothing happens. They open back up the yard and we can get loaded and I can get out of here. I'm actually running one of my favorite loads. I like to run. I caught this off the load board. It's paying like $3.30 something cents per mile. Just running up to Charlotte to the airport to drop off, so I don't have to touch any freight. Y'all know that's my favorite to do. They're gonna load me up here and they're gonna unload me at KCLT in Charlotte. Now we got more rain. I tell you, why do we have to have rain? The blood clot rain done started. Me not want rain. I don't need rain. Please go away. The bloody rain done started, y'all. Man, I know they're gonna take their time to open up come open up the gates now. Here comes the rain. I'll let y'all know what happened after this, y'all. Good family, we up here at KCLT, so we finally made it out of here. I sat in Columbia at the gate for an hour and a half waiting for the rain to stop. So they finally opened up the yard. I got loaded. It took them about 20 minutes to load me up, and I am up here in Charlotte at the airport, pretty much KCLT. getting unloaded, and shoot, it's like 3 in the morning right now. So once I get back, it's gonna be a wrap for me. I'm crashing. I'm hitting that bed, and we're gonna get up tomorrow. I'm gonna look to see if I see another load, this similar load, or catching something from Columbia to Charlotte. They load me up in Columbia. Even if I have to unload in Charlotte, I'm cool with that. You know, as long as it's daytime, I'm fine with it. I don't really like doing these like late night ones. Like I started off with these. I think I've outgrown them, especially. But when they pay good, I don't mind doing it. You know, so yeah, just quick update for y'all. I'm going to pretty much wait for them to unload me. I'll wait for them to unload me. Should take them about 20 minutes or so to get me unloaded once they finally do start unloading. Other than that, we're rocking and rolling. Hopefully this doesn't affect my score at all. But if it does, I already know I just have to go in there, update all the information that it was raining, you know, the yard was closed, and that should keep me at the A+. But if not, I'll let y'all know. All right.